How to enable glide typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's pretty easy. Just open settings either from your home screen or from the control panel. Then scroll down to the general management section. Tap on that. Now my default keyboard is Gboard. You need to switch to Samsung. So go to keyboard list and default. Tap on default keyboard. Switch to Samsung keyboard. Then go back and go to Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down to find swipe, touch and feedback. Now select keyboard swipe controls and enable swipe to type. And now let's go to Notes application, create new note. Now you can just swipe to type text. It's not very convenient to me, but you still can use this feature. So guys, hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.